Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to unbox this package from Positive Grid. This is their newest Spark 40 watts practice amplifier, and according to them, this amplifier will surely give us unique and exciting features. So come and join me and let's see what's inside of this. Here we go. So there you have it guys, this is the Spark amp. It's very nice, very cool design, and I really can't wait to start jamming with this. I will be doing some videos about this amplifier and I will be posting it here soon. So please subscribe and see you on my next video. Thank you.